Hi there, my name is RoTV, and for the person on Wolf Boss, we play on a very first roleplay game called RoTV Roleplay. And question, what is RoTV Roleplay? It's a completely roleplay game where you can discover the world with cities.
This is an emergency alert system. This is not a test. Locals spotted a nuclear bomb dropping in the area. Please go to any bunker. Severe bomb warning at Robloxia, UK, the end of the world.
This is an emergency broadcast. Knowing the iconic Atlantic Ocean, the gravity is pulling the water, flooding itself. The water is heading across the UK, and we have some bad news. The sea is going to close in due to the water. For example, here's what will happen. To the UK. Here is the whole UK at this moment. Knowing about the water, East Ireland and West England would be chomped. Due to the gravitational pull, the UK will split into 2 islands. And finally, every country would be chomped except for the Scottish Highlands. If you live in Scotland, relocate yourself to the Scottish Highlands immediately. But if you live in England, Wales, Ireland, and Robloxia, you have no choice but to dig down and die. We will now play the final national anthem.